Hello there guys, what is going on? Welcome to Pure Trading. It's Friday, it's the end of the week. We've done it, we've managed, we've come out on top or at the bottom, as long as we still have an account left to trade on Monday. That's all that we need. All jokes aside, things went well. The market played along nicely. Dollar strength, that was the theme of the week, and it's, it was the theme of the week for a few weeks now. The stock market is crashing. Everyone is flocking to currency, so the thing is trending. There's volatility, so there's money to be made here in the forex market, guys. Okay, so euro versus the dollar. A lot of calls and emails and stuff regarding this year. It says, look, it is an extension beyond the mean, so why am I not going long? The issue is we are not going long here because we are bearish on the euro for a number of reasons, but the main issue is the dollar strength, and the dollar is strengthening because of the safe haven status that we have with the Ukrainian-Russian issue. And also this year we have good numbers coming out for the dollar. We had the non-farm payrolls and it was good. Midweek Wednesday was also good. So there was no reason for us to jump in on a long situation here, even though there is an extension beyond the mean there. We are not looking at any longs against this bears. So playing this next week or for the weeks that follow, we are looking at trading this short. I will do another video at the end of the week here to help us decide on a plan of what we're going to do with the euro dollar. But it looks as if I am just looking for pullbacks and extension of this move short. And then the pound, also the same thing. I wasn't trading the pound versus dollar. The thing is, the pound is also strong, guys. So it was very difficult to choose between the pound or the dollar. And for that reason, I just stayed out of this complete mess here. However, for next week, as I said, we're going to have another video. It looks as if there might be a little bit of a retracement there and then a follow through. So I might have two trades here, one against the prevailing trend going short here, and also the move up toward an area. But let's talk about that again next week. Then this one here, the dollar versus the yen. This was absolutely perfect. We have an extension beyond the mean. That was yesterday. That's Thursday. That's our Thursday candle there. And then if we go in on our trigger chart here on the 15-minute, we can just see it playing out perfectly here with our RSI divergence here. So this is the one that we were looking for the week. We have our RSI divergence there. Perfect. Yeah, we have an RSI starting at 9 a.m. and it ends like 12 a.m. So that's like a 3-hour window. These are the RSI, the perfect RSI sort of setups here. You can even try and get in before it breaks through this. Our usual beginner strategy is trying to break through the lows here, like coming down on, through these levels here, and then a retracements and coming back down. But you can also even get in on this one. I'm going to show you a trick here on the Aussie, New Zealand, on the Australian dollar versus the dollar, of how else you can also get into these trades here with the RSI, but confirmed with the Fibonacci. So watch out for that one later on in this video. So stick around, thumbs up and all of that, subscribe, and do the course and all of that. Yeah, the CAD, we were long. Remember, our bias for the week is long, so we only looking at trading long on the dollar. We are not looking at trading long on the commodity currencies, even though the prices are shooting up there and it is dragging along the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar with that strength. But too difficult to call, and I'm not into difficulty. I just want to see a simple setup on the currencies that we are looking at, and dollar versus the CAD, that's one of them. We can see the extension beyond the mean clearly here, and then we have a level in this area. Look at the wick. Look at this wick here. That's your wick right there, and it measures perfectly with this Thursday candle. So watch that candle on the 15-minute. And again, guys, we have absolute perfection here. We have prices going lower, and look at what the RSI is doing, people. If it's not as clear as this, then we, a little bit hesitant to take the trade. But just look at that ease there. We have a candle coming in at 7:45 there, and the low is 9. It's about 9:45, 2 hours there. So that is the window we like the RSI to play in. We don't like it crossing over, days and days and days. We just want to see the low coming in. It's coming in on a trend into the level of importance there, and then it's creating a setup. It's as simple as that, guys. And then we have the Australian dollar. So watch this one. This is the one I want to show you the setup on. So, no, it's not this one. I want to show you the setup on the New Zealand dollar, not this one. Now, notice this one. We have the Wednesday candle. Prices are coming all the way through. Then we have an area here. This is an area I was looking at on Wednesday. Prices comes in there, and there was a setup even in that area for about 40 odd pips, yeah. And then prices goes all the way up to the next area. That's today. Now watch this on the 15-minute. On your 15-minute, you see prices are making highs there, and then you have a divergence in that area. Yeah, there's your divergence today, and then this here is a setup from the break of that area there all the way down. So how many pips do we have here from this area, from that area, from that area all the way down? That's about 20 odd pips. But this is the thing here. If you take this high and that high there, I hope one of the students is watching this, because he actually loves this sort of setup. So it's inside an area of importance. It's also inside a window of time that he likes to use. Prices goes up there, you pull it all the way down, it's a 161.8, and you get an RSI. So you can actually pull the trigger all the way up there and gain this 20 odd pips there. So this whole thing is about 50 odd points instead of waiting for this. So there are numerous ways of getting into these sorts of trades if you follow the basis of everything, which is on the daily excursion plus levels. And then inside that area, you'll always find, 30, 40 odd points in between. And that's all we really need. For now, that's all we needed. The thing is, now the market is becoming more volatile. People are taking money out of the stock markets and they are putting it in here. A lot of guys are, eventually losing now on the cryptocurrencies, and they'll be coming back to the foreign exchange market. It seems that way because we're getting trends here. Things is working out for trend traders and everything. New Zealand dollar. This one looks like it's going to work out better for us. For next week, we have this level and we have that. Let's go to the 15-minute, see if there's anything happening here right now. So what we have is prices just going all the way up. Finally, it comes up into the level and we can see. See, the thing is, we do have a setup here, but it's much too late in the day for us to even think about that. So global stock markets are, everyone is just selling because of the Ukrainian issue. Yeah, there is war in Ukraine with Russia. Investors are running for cover and all that sort of thing. Yeah, so and the volatility is increasing, coming back to the foreign exchange market. So there's a lot going on. And if you guys do the beginners course here on Pure Trading, just go to Pure Trading there, puretrading.blog. Do the beginners course, absolutely free there. There is no charge for that. And if you do that, then I'll be able to mark your assignments and stuff, and then I will see if you are on the right track. Any value here, please leave a thumbs up and comment. Ask me questions on what is going on. How do you do this? How do you do that? And the most important thing in any of this is to trade safely and prosper.